Write an assembly language program that finds sum of 10 hex numbers. These numbers are stored in memory location that begins at 4000. The result will be 2 byte and the lower byte sum should be stored first at the end of the block. This is the program. First line stores the register HL pair value 4000. Register C is initialized with value count 10 here. Register B and A are set to 0 0. Then the loop adds the value from memory location to accumulator. After addition, if carry generated, register B is increments by 1. If not, then it skips to next line, that is increment HL pair. Then next line decrements C, so that we mark that one count has been done, one sum has been done, and then if register C count has not become 0, this loop repeats. So in the loop, whenever all the numbers are added, when every time the number is added to accumulator, if carry generated, register B will be incremented. So in register B we get the carry count, in register A we get the sum. When the loop is over, the sum is copied to the next memory location, that is MA, and then next address is stored with the value from register B. Let's see this code in simulator. Here I have 10 numbers stored in memory location beginning with 4000. Assemble the program first and then I'll run first few steps, one instruction at a time. First register HL pair will be set to 4000. Next line register C will be set to A. Next line register B set to 0. Here as you see, then accumulator will be set to 0. Accumulator is set to 0. Carry is not generated, then it skip. Carry is not generated, so it will skip. Increment H here, HL pair, it becomes 4001. Register C is decremented, so it should become 09. Here, see, as you can see, and since it has not become 0, this loop will repeat. Add M, so from next memory location, that is 4001, that is E4 here, is added to accumulator. Carry generated, so next instruction will be increment B, so register B will be incremented, HL pair is incremented, and C register is decremented by 1, so it has become 8, and so on. So this loop continues till register C becomes 0. When register C becomes 0, sum which is in accumulator will be stored in memory location, that is memory location 400A, and in 400B carry count will be stored. I'll execute entire program now. So here I get the sum 1F, as you can see, it's taken from register A, that is accumulator, and carry count which is stored in B is 05. So 05 is stored here. I hope you have understood this program very well. Like this video and subscribe my channel for more 8085 programming videos.